Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time here, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I really hope that you guys subscribe to my channel. I am here with my little one of my kiddos. The other one's playing a video game right now, so she's gonna be my helper for today. Say hi, Alea. And today I'm doing a collab with a good friend from YouTube. Her name is Patty, and she has 3 little ones, and she's really a super sweet person. You can tell by her videos she's very authentic, and she is, I believe, a teacher as well, so she's really good. She does a lot of like homeschool activities on her channel. She does vlogs as well. She does all kinds of cool videos, so you guys definitely need to check out her channel. I'll put it in the description box down below. So today we are going to make some just traditional Christmas sugar cookies, and we bought icing as well because I plan to put like colored icing on top of the cookies, and then we also like have sprinkles and things too. So I'm really excited. Yes, and we are going to use like different gingerbread shapes and stockings and everything. So we've got our cookie cutters ready, so we're super excited to do this. She's been bugging me all day to make these cookies, so I'm finally getting around to it. But I hope you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the ingredients you guys are going to need are 3 1/4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're going to also need half a teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and then also sprinkles as well.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
So first you're going to combine the butter, sugar, and eggs together, and make sure your butter is softened at room temperature, and then also make sure not to include any shells in your batter like we just did.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment.
So next we're combining a little bit of flour with the rest of the dry ingredients at a time, and that's in order to be able to mix everything thoroughly.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So you may not have the perfect cookies in the end, but the most important thing is to remember to have fun while you're making these cookies, because you won't always have this chance with your little one, so enjoy it while you can.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to.
So once you mix in the rest of the flour and the vanilla, you'll find that the batter is really hard to work with, so it's easier to work with by hand at this point. And I just keep adding flour and just massaging the dough ball, and then eventually I wrap it up in saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator, and you'll let it chill for 2 hours.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells. about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young.
So next comes the fun part where you get to roll out the cookie dough and pick out the shapes that you want to do. My daughter was so excited for this part right here.
And celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
And the other thing about these cookies is they literally cook in 5 minutes. You'll bake them at preheated oven for 400 degrees between 4 to 6 minutes. So don't leave them any longer than that. Trust me, they will come out just right.
People singing about love.
So next is the other fun part where you get to have your little one decorate the cookie however they please. And instead of doing tinted icing, which is really easy and simple to do, I went ahead and just did the sprinkles. I had 2 different kind of sprinkles, and the beauty of it is you can make it however you want, and my daughter had a blast doing this.
I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year. My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. We had a blast making these cookies. I got the little, I don't know if you can see it, but the snowflake one. And they came out super cute. I just put icing on it. And Alea, is it good? Is it yummy? Awesome. So these are super easy. I'm going to leave the recipe down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to also subscribe to Patty's channel as well. It's Mom and Wife's Life. So I'll go ahead and put the info down below. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.